Hi, my name is Max Giel and I'm an outdoor and adventure photographer. Today I'm here at the Briesen, which is a 2,400 meter high mountain near Lucerne in central Switzerland, and we slept up here, and it's now just another task to test out all the Quickshot modes from the Mavic Mini 2, which I bought just recently, and yeah, some more things that I actually realized when I flew the drone. I now just got it for 1 week, and so far I'm pretty happy. You can fly at least 20-25 minutes with it, and what I don't like that much, or what is a little bit different from the Mavic 2 Pro, is that you just can't tap on the screen and focus. So you just need to rely that it's sharp what the drone is filming. So that's kind of a downside for me. As far as I know, and I saw today, we have like 10-15 k of wind. This isn't a problem for the drone at all, so this works super fine. And with the Quickshot modes, I actually never used that much the Quickshot modes of the Mavic 2 Pro. I found out here in this spot, and anyway in the mountains, it's not always that easy that the drone really finds the spot where it can rely on. On this spot, actually, the Mavic Mini 2 worked better than the Mavic 2 Pro in kind of circle flying. And many people ask me actually in the comments if it's true that you just can fly like 40 meters away from the subject you want to take for your Quickshot mode. Didn't expect or didn't experience actually that. The drone flew about 80 meters away from the summit and circled it perfectly around sunrise. I'm gonna show you this afterwards. And yeah, what else you should know before you buy the drone. The filters that fit for the Mavic Mini also fit for the Mavic Mini 2. So I'll get some filters soon and we'll make another test, hopefully with some fog. So we'll try to do some long exposure photos with the small little drone. Yeah, I think one more thing that you should know, the batteries from the Mavic Mini are different to the Mavic Mini 2. You can, as far as DJI says, you can use the old ones, the DJI Mini ones, but it will result obviously in a shorter flight time. So they're kind of different batteries. So that's just something that you should basically know. I think that's about it. If this was helpful for you and if you liked the video, so just like put a thumbs up, this would be really cool. And if you want to stay updated with more mountain stories and yeah, droning, photography, videography, and for sure alpine tours, what I'm doing quite a lot, now it's time to subscribe to this channel. And I thank you a lot that you watched the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you subscribe, I'll see you in the next one.